Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Norwex Spray Mop Attachment is probably one of the most versatile and eco-friendly cleaning tools you can add to your home, designed to make floor cleaning a breeze without the need for harsh chemicals, utilizing microfiber technology to trap dirt and grime effectively, making it a sustainable choice for a sparkling clean home. Number 5. O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop. Introducing the O-Cedar ProMist Max. It effectively cleans your floors using just water, thanks to its super absorbent microfiber technology. The large, dual-sided mop head flips, allowing you to clean your floors quickly without needing to switch pads. This means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your sparkling home. Simply fill the refillable bottle with water and add your preferred cleaning solution. You're ready to make your floors shine with minimal effort. It harnesses the power of thousands of microfibers to capture even the smallest dirt and dust particles. This ensures a deep and thorough clean every time. Use it wet for a deep clean that leaves your floors gleaming, or dry for quick dusting. The versatile microfiber pad adapts to your cleaning needs. The innovative one-touch release makes removing the spray bottle quick and easy. Plus, save money by washing and reusing the machine-washable microfiber pad up to 100 times. Enjoy effortless control over the spray amount with the comfort grip handle and trigger. No batteries are needed, making it always ready to use. What we like? This mop features a dual-sided head for faster cleaning and a refillable bottle, meaning no batteries are required. If you're looking for a versatile mop that's easy to use without the hassle of battery changes, this is a great choice. It's ideal for quick cleanups and everyday use on various floor types. What people say. The mop head is a good size and covers a lot of floor space. It works well on both tile and hardwood floors. The microfiber pad is very effective at picking up dirt and dust. Number 4. Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop Premium. Introducing the Bona Hardwood Floor Spray Mop Premium. Cleaning your floors has never been easier, just spray and mop. The extra-large mop pads ensure a quick and easy cleaning experience. Refill with any economy-size Bona Floor Cleaner refill or Bona Concentrate packet. Our residue-free, fast-drying solution effectively removes dust, dirt, and grime. It works to reveal the natural shine of your floors. This formulation contains 95% USDA-certified bio-based content and meets US EPA product standards. It is Safer Choice certified for your peace of mind. Protect your floors from discoloration and harm with our pH-neutral formulation. It is safe for all unwaxed, unoiled, polyurethane-finished wood floors. Enjoy a durable and lightweight design featuring a secondary grip, flexible rubber corners, and a retractable hook for easy storage. It includes a microfiber cleaning pad with a patented dual-zone design that lifts and removes stubborn dirt and grime. The pad is made of 90% PCR material. What we like? This option offers a residue-free, fast-drying solution with high bio-based content and a pH-neutral formula. If you have hardwood floors and are concerned about harsh chemicals or floor damage, this is the one for you. It's perfect for maintaining the natural shine of your wood floors safely and effectively. What people say. Sprays evenly and easy to do quick cleanups or the full floor. Lightweight and pushes easily around to clean my wood floors nicely. The trigger released an even spray that covered the floor without oversaturating. The mop head glided smoothly and fit easily under furniture edges. After drying, the floors showed no visible streaks, residue, or dull film. The ergonomics of the handle are a substantial improvement over a standard mop, so you can apply a little pressure when you need to clean a dirty spot effectively. The texture of the cleaning pads is great to scrub off something stuck while still babying your floors, and the spray is convenient and spreads well, easier to use than spray bottle. Number 3. HOMTOYOU Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. Introducing the HOMTOYOU Spray Mop, designed for a superior floor cleaning experience. With a simple one-touch button, it releases a fine mist to make cleaning easy. This versatile mop is safe for all your hard floors. Use it confidently on hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl surfaces. It comes with 3 ultra-microfiber pads that are highly absorbent and reusable. These pads are suitable for both hand washing and machine washing. Effectively grab dirt, dust, and hair with its powerful cleaning action. It works wonderfully for both dry dusting and wet mopping. The flat mop head rotates a full 360 degrees. This allows for easy cleaning in those hard-to-reach corners and tight spaces. The refillable bottle allows you to customize your cleaning. Simply fill it with your preferred cleaning solution for a personalized touch. What we like. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads and a 360 degrees rotating head for easy maneuverability. If you need to clean hard-to-reach corners and want the convenience of multiple reusable pads, consider this. It's suitable for a wide range of hard surfaces in your home, making it a versatile cleaning companion. What people say. The spray itself is an even coating mist, and it's worked very well on my laminate flooring. This, on the other hand, is so quick and easy to use. Sometimes simpler is just better, and this is one of those times. It holds plenty of cleaning liquid to clean all my floors at once, doesn't leak, and has multiple pads for the mop, so if one gets dirty I can quickly swap it out and keep going. Number 2. KEEPOW Mop Pads Refills for O-Cedar ProMist Max. Introducing our innovative mop pad refills. They feature a unique double-sided design and a new ladder shape for easier installation and superior cleaning. These pads are reusable and machine washable up to 100 times. Save money and reduce waste by using them again and again instead of disposable options. Crafted from high-quality microfiber, they effectively pick up and hold dirt and cleaner, ensuring a thorough clean without smearing. With enhanced absorbency and built-in scrubbing zones, these pads tackle tough messes while remaining gentle on all hard floor surfaces, preventing streaks or scratches. Perfect for finished hardwood, laminate, tile, vinyl, and linoleum, they provide a safe and effective clean. Use them wet for deep cleaning or dry for dusting. What we like. Designed with a unique ladder shape and superior microfiber, these pads offer enhanced cleaning power. If you're looking for replacement pads that truly pick up and hold dirt rather than just smearing it, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for tackling tough, stuck-on messes on various hard floors. What people say. These are great because they are washable and can be used over and over again. They can be washed by simply throwing them in the washing machine. They survived an initial washing, and I like that they come with a washing pouch. Number 1. Microfiber Spray Mop for Floor Cleaning. Introducing our innovative spray mop, designed to make your floor cleaning routine a breeze. Its flexible head reaches every corner, ensuring a thorough clean with ease. Crafted with premium materials, this mop features an anti-leakage design for reliable performance. The durable aluminum alloy handle ensures it will last for years to come. Customize your cleaning experience by filling the refillable bottle with your preferred cleaning solution. Save money and avoid expensive chemical refills. Say goodbye to heavy buckets and cumbersome mops. Its lightweight design and easy trigger spray make cleaning effortless, protecting your back from fatigue. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues or receive a damaged item, contact us for a free warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority. Please note that a small amount of water may remain from testing, which is normal. Avoid using strong acids or alkalis, and always dilute cleaning solutions before use. What we like. This spray mop boasts an anti-leakage design, a lightweight build, and comes with a worry-free warranty. If you dislike bulky mops, want to avoid leaks, and appreciate peace of mind with your purchase, this is the one. It's designed for effortless cleaning, especially for those who want to avoid bending and waste fatigue. What people say. Love the reusable pad and the ability to use your own cleaning solutions. The microfiber dust mop pads are the real MVPs here. Not only do they absorb spills like a dream, but they also trap dust and dirt with precision, leaving your floor spotless with each pass. Plus, they're conveniently machine washable, ensuring long-term use and saving you money on disposable pads. It's very light and easy to use. The spray bottle runs out quick. It's small, but I can just refill it super easy. Also comes with 3 mop heads, so that's great, will last me a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.